Everybody put your hands up!
A bunch of baby ducks, send them to the moon. Soda machine that doesn't work, send it to the moon. Oh, YouTube. Hi, my name is Chicken, no one cares. So I just got back from LA last week, and while I was in LA, I realized... Wait, have you guys seen this water? Check this out. Dude, it has flavor. When I pulled this out of the fridge, I thought it was just regular water, and when I drunk it, I'm like... Tastes kind of funny. I'm thinking like, you know, maybe someone poisoned it. No big deal, right? So I take another sip. Man, poison sure does taste good. So I drank the whole bottle. So when I finished, I actually looked at the label and I saw where it said wild berry on it. Yay! I'm not gonna pass out in my sleep tonight. What was I talking about? Oh, back in LA, I didn't actually record much. When I finally got home, I looked at my camera and I realized the only thing that I actually recorded was seagulls at the beach. Then I was like, you know what? I think I can make a video out of this. Man, so here's the video. Roll the clip. In a world filled with only darkness. But it's broad daylight, Paul. I know that, Jimmy. One bird will stand against the odds and find trash. Other birds will watch, but never succeed. Hey, that's me! Shut up, Carl. Walks through the beach will never be the same again. Now is the time they have to run. The world isn't the same as it used to be. We fight for our survival. Well, it sure is windy out here, isn't it, Paul? What? What? Nothing. Mr. Dawson, halt! It's over. You're outnumbered. Is it really over? It's not over till I say it's over. I'm out of here. See ya, suckers! Whoa! Whoa! Is that food? Get this thing open up. Oh, I can't believe it. I just found a grain of rice. Pretty good. Chip. 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 Chip, chip. Chip, 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 chip. Chip, chip, chip. Chip. Chip, chip. Chip. Chip, 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 chip. Chip, chip, chip. They live together. They may fly, but they will never run away because they are seagulls. Coming soon, the video cassette and DVD. Yep, that video didn't make any sense. But hey, this is Odd Productions, am I right? Now I gotta tell you guys the news. I'm doing a Q&A pretty soon, so ask some questions. You can email me, you can Instagram me, you can... whatever. Just give me your questions, no matter how weird, stupid, or ridiculous your questions are. And I know I don't know you guys, but just ask me questions. Let's get to know each other. And who knows, maybe we can be friends.
Let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loves me too.
So I'll see you guys later, and don't forget to ask those... Dang it. Alright, so here's an example. Hey Larry, what's your favorite color? Then I'd be like... But it didn't hurt to ask.